Cats can withstand quite a bit of pain and therefore rarely complain. They usually suffer silently and secretly. This can be a big problem, because cat owners often recognize diseases and pain too late. So that you can recognize the signs fast and act, we call you these today. Number 1. How can I tell that my cat is in pain? Most cats do not complain even when they are in severe pain. However, if you watch your cat closely, you can look for the following behavioral changes. Does your cat suddenly walk differently or even lame? Does he suddenly not jump as high? Does your cat no longer manage to climb the scratching post? Does she stop cleaning herself, or does she leave out certain parts of her body? Is her fur matted or sticky? Does your cat suddenly stop playing with you? Does she refuse to eat? Has her posture changed significantly? Does your cat react surprisingly aggressive to touch? Does he lick one part of his body very often, almost excessively? Does she suddenly hide more and more often? Does he no longer urinate in the litter box? If you notice any of these changes in your cat, you should make an appointment with your veterinarian. Number 2. Why is my cat in pain? Before you can relieve your cat's pain, the vet must first find the cause of the pain. Here's what could be behind your cat's pain. An injury sustained while playing or fighting. Chronic joint problems. Problems with the spine or intervertebral discs. Internal diseases, dental problems or tumors. Number 3. How can a veterinarian tell that my cat is in pain? Of course, it is not easy for veterinarians to recognize pain in cats either. He will thoroughly examine your cat, palpating, bending and stretching. This will help him determine if your velvet paw is showing signs of pain. To more accurately determine the cause of pain in the teeth and joints or in the abdomen, the veterinarian will likely x-ray your cat. A urine or blood test can also provide information about the cause of the pain. These tests can be expensive, so if you don't have a lot to put aside, you may want to consider cat health insurance. Number 4. Pain therapy for cats. If the vet has found the cause of the pain, it must of course be eliminated as soon as possible. If broken teeth are the trigger, they are usually removed surgically. The same applies to tumors. Unfortunately, there are always diseases that involve lengthy or even lifelong treatment. In most cases, they are treated with medication. In the case of chronic inflammation of the joints, classic painkillers are used. They have an anti-inflammatory effect and prevent the painful friction of the joints. In addition, you can enrich your cat's food with nutrients that help maintain joint function. Medications are given as shots, drops, tablets, pastes or powders. And number 5, cat's pain memory. In some cats, pain becomes lodged in the memory. Then even light touches are perceived as pain. And this even if the actual cause of the pain has been removed long ago. The pain has then become a disease in its own right. That's why it's all the more important that you recognize the first signs and alleviate them quickly. Then the pain has no chance to anchor itself in the memory. Cats hide pain skillfully. Therefore, it is important that you observe your cat and consult a veterinarian in case of sudden changes in behavior. In addition to medications, homeopathic remedies and alternative healing treatments are increasingly becoming part of a holistic pain therapy for cats. If you enjoyed this video, I would really appreciate a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss a new video in the future.